Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video you'll learn to use the extrude and hole. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch, and here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we create these three lines here. This line has 10 millimeters and this one has 30 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 30 millimeters, create another line here, and another line here with 10 millimeters. Now we will create a line here with 20 millimeters, this line here, and this one with 15 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and this point here is 50 millimeters. So select the line again, make a line here with 20 millimeters, and a line here with 15 millimeters. Move this dimension a little bit and go to sketch dimension, select this point and this point here. The distance here is 50 millimeters, and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Now we will create this line with 30 millimeters and create this sketch here. We'll put the dimensions later, okay? So select the line, click here in this point. And go to constraints, select the equal, select this line and this one. And go to constraints, horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. This line here and this one has 10 millimeters, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 10 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, the distance here 10 millimeters, and the distance here is 10 millimeters. Now finish the sketch. We need to extrude this sketch. So the extrude will be 25 millimeters of distance. So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction, select symmetric, and the measurement, select whole length. And the distance here will be 25 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. Now we will create this hole through all this body. So to create this, we will make this point here for reference. Or you can just make a hole here in this face. The distance between the center of the hole and the midpoint here, this edge is 20 millimeters, and it is in the center of this face, between these two edges here. So go to hole, select this face, and the extend, select all, the hole type simple, the hole tape type simple, and the diameter here is 10 millimeters of diameter. And here to add reference, select this edge here, click here on this edge, the distance here 20 millimeters, and select this edge. The distance here will be 25/2. And press OK. Let me analyze here. And we made this one. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.